Alright, today we got these V6 okay, Infiniti G35 and this is gonna be alternator replacement. So it's down there. Wait, I don't know if you guys can see or not. Okay, I'm gonna open all this, like remove the coolant hose, reservoir, fan, then it should be good. So okay, then the chain fan ham came out. Then chang a lot ke la have cut go. Attention as on have shit cold on. Let's socket them. Okay, gotta take it off the what was that power steering pump, so you can get access to a lot more easier. So yeah, this is how we're gonna do it. Stuck guy ma optimum. I mean send pi little there dam dam here. So guy like it what I loading. What a sunny, but it's still freezing cold. Alright, as you know, we already took it off. We took off the pump, and then it's a lot easier to take it off. So, and you do need to take it off this thing, the adapter for top radiator house. So yeah, pretty much that's all you gotta do, and it's a lot more easier. So yep, there's it. There's the alternator over there. Right. Looks like it's done. Bruh. Huh? Martinda. So me pay me that. Me pay me that. Battery arm machine. Okay, alternator there me. Loader. So that loader to that top. But who's gonna? Me ma pay me who's gonna? Yeah ma. Hello ma let the yawa. Honda ba me pay me that to know. Battery layer there, alternator layer. The power from. Oh yeah.